Trading in financial markets, whether it's stocks, forex, or crypto, can feel like stepping onto a battlefield. It's exciting, unpredictable, and filled with opportunities. But let's face it, not everyone wins. Many enter with dreams of wealth and freedom, but most leave disheartened, blaming the market for their losses. Here's the truth: the market doesn't care about your hopes, dreams, or plans. Success in trading isn't about luck or intuition. It's about having a solid strategy, discipline, and the right mindset. Without these, even the smartest individuals fall prey to common traps. In this video, we'll explore the 10 types of traders who are almost guaranteed to fail and the lessons you can learn to avoid their mistakes. If you've been struggling to make consistent profits, stick around. This could change the way you approach trading forever. Let's dive in. Markets are unpredictable, and that's just the way they are. Prices rise and fall, sometimes with gentle waves, and other times like a tsunami. For some traders, even the smallest price drop feels catastrophic. They watch their screens like hawks, heart racing at every red tick, and the moment the market dips, they panic sell. Here's the kicker: these traders almost always sell at the worst possible time, when the market is close to rebounding. Months later, they watch and regret as the stocks or assets they sold soar to new heights. This fear of volatility leads them to lock in unnecessary losses time and again. Being afraid of market swings is like trying to swim without getting wet. If you want to survive in the markets, you must embrace volatility. It's part of the game. Panic sellers are the market's favorite victims. These traders see every price dip as the start of a financial apocalypse. This is it, the market is collapsing, they think as they frantically sell their positions. Their decision is fueled not by analysis, but by fear. The irony? They often sell right at the bottom when prices are lowest, only to watch the market bounce back days or weeks later. Meanwhile, patient traders who hold their ground are the ones reaping the rewards of recovery. Panic sellers fail to recognize that markets are cyclical, dips are temporary, but their losses become permanent because of rash decisions. Imagine a trader who takes quick profits on small gains but refuses to close out losing trades, hoping for a miracle recovery. This strategy is like pruning flowers while letting weeds overrun your garden. It's counterproductive and sets you up for failure. Over time, their portfolio becomes a graveyard of unrealized losses. The small gains they collected can't offset the enormous drag caused by bad trades they refuse to cut. Holding on to losing positions isn't optimism, it's denial. Trading is as much a mental game as it is a numbers game. Fear, greed, regret, and overconfidence are powerful emotions that can cloud judgment and lead to poor decisions. Emotional traders often find themselves buying into hype at the peak of the market, driven by FOMO, fear of missing out. Conversely, they panic sell at the first sign of trouble, locking in losses and missing out on eventual recoveries. This constant swing of emotions turns their portfolio into a chaotic mess. Without emotional discipline, every trade feels like gambling instead of strategy. This stock is going to the moon. This coin will make me a millionaire overnight. Sound familiar? These traders enter the market with dreams of instant riches, chasing hyped up assets without doing proper research. While the dream of overnight wealth is enticing, the reality is much harsher. Most traders who chase quick wins end up losing their investments because they jump in at inflated prices and exit when the hype dies down. Trading isn't a lottery ticket, it's a skill that requires time, patience, and effort to master. Those who focus on sustainable growth outperform those chasing the next big thing. Some traders believe in going all in, investing every last dollar into their positions. While this might seem bold, it's a recipe for disaster. What happens when an unexpected opportunity arises, but they have no cash left to act on it? Successful trading isn't about betting it all, it's about staying flexible. Keeping some cash reserves allows you to capitalize on opportunities as they arise and cushions against potential losses. Herd followers love to follow trends. They see a stock or coin gaining popularity on social media and jump in, assuming it's a guaranteed win. What they don't realize is that by the time they hear about it, the smart money has already left. Herd mentality often leads to buying high and selling low. By chasing trends, these traders miss out on better opportunities and get burned by inflated prices. Charts are invaluable tools in trading, but they're not everything. Chart addicts rely solely on technical indicators like RSI or MXD without considering fundamentals or market sentiment. This over-reliance on charts can lead to tunnel vision, where traders focus on patterns instead of the bigger picture. While technical analysis is important, it's only one piece of the puzzle. Patience is a rare quality among traders, but it's essential for success. Impatient traders expect every trade to deliver immediate results. When gains don't materialize quickly, they abandon positions or switch strategies, often missing out on long-term rewards. Impatience leads to overtrading, constant frustration, and poor decision-making. The best traders know that meaningful growth takes time and consistency. Consistency is key in trading, but strategy hoppers lack this entirely. They switch from day trading to swing trading to options trading, never giving any method enough time to see results. This constant jumping from one approach to another creates confusion and guarantees failure. Without a focused strategy, you're gambling, not trading. The market owes you nothing. It doesn't care about your dreams, fears, or goals. It rewards those who approach trading with discipline, patience, and adaptability. Mistakes are inevitable, but there are also opportunities to grow. Every mistake is a lesson, and every lesson brings you closer to mastery. So ask yourself, are you trading for the thrill, or are you in it to win? Because the difference between winners and losers boils down to mindset.